These days we constantly look for ways to increase our income and think, how can I have more money in my pocket? And after that, surf on the web with different terms like how to make money online, how to make money while you're asleep, passive income ideas, and these kind of topics. To be fair, it feels good to think and also search on the internet. I know, right? But actually the result is not satisfying, and usually we are keep looking and searching, but at the end we can't find those ideas that match or think that work very well. I used to search and I saw 1500 ideas that you can make money online. So if you search, you can see websites that they just want to give you 3-digit ideas, and after that you search and take a look at all of them, and at the end you see some of them are nonsense, and also some of them are bullshit. Especially now that we have AI and ChatGPT around, we want to do something. We want to have some passive income ideas that work and make sense. That's why I thought that I need to do something here. And I was searching and researching and trying some of those ideas to find out which one of those 1500 ideas makes sense and work and pay off later for me. I don't want to just make the list long and longer and break the Guinness record for passive income ideas. I just want to mention those ideas that have worked for me and is working, and also those that I believe make sense to me and pay off later on in the process. But you need to be careful, and you need to know that consistency is the key. So if you have a very good idea, if you like some of those ideas but you don't have consistency, it doesn't work. Okay, I want to introduce you a book that I already wrote for this topic. The book is AI powered passive income ideas, and you can have access to it on Amazon Kindle store. So I provided this book, as I told you, I was exploring and utilizing some of them, and I just mentioned those ideas that are working for me, and I'm hopeful that works in the future as well. And I didn't want to waste your time, just mention loads of ideas that the chance of implementing for having a side hustle is very low.